Take a look at the slow-motion photography to see how they fly. It is probably a camera. Many macaws are taken from the forest and sold to people around the world as pets. Three months after hatching, this macaw prepares for its first flight. Macaws are beautifully colored birds with long pointed wings and heavy, powerful beaks. Dr. Charles Mann and his wife Mariana spend several months each year studying macaws. Macaws eat bitter, unripe fruits and toxic seeds. Scientists have discovered that macaws sniff. Unlike red and green macaws, blue and yellow macaws live in dead ponds. Brown capuchin monkeys are larger than the squirrel monkeys. Capuchins weigh about 5 pounds. They live in groups of 5 to 30 monkeys.